Thought you said you weren't a scientist.
No, I said I wasn't the kind of scientist who could engineer a way to regenerate someone's limb. Basic chemistry I can manage.
So, the leg. Tell me how it works.
I could only explain it in the most rudimentary way.
Good. So that's the only way I'll understand it.
All right. We know that newts and salamanders can regrow severed limbs. So, the researchers developed a chemical cocktail that creates pluripotent stem cells. The same thing salamanders use for regeneration.
Do you know how much something like this costs? I mean, I don't know if you got the memo, but Division lost most of its government funding.
Our organization isn't interested in money. We're very well funded. What we need is data. The kind that comes from clinical trials, real-world testing. How did your friend lose his hand? It would help me figure out if he's a good candidate for the regeneration process.
He was pinned under a burning car. He was either cut off his hand or watch him die.
A clean cut. Not a crush injury. That's good. That's good. I assume the amputation took place in the field, yes? Great deal of blood loss?
There was a lot of blood. Too much. Medical support was an hour away, and fortunately, there was a sharp blade and a burning car, so it only took a few tries to cauterize the wound.
I'm sorry. Must have been very difficult for you to do what you did.
I don't think I'll ever get the sound of his screams out of my head.
When you see him whole again?